Source doesn't cause pollution and it saves energy.
Is that your final statement? Oil. How does your energy source protect the environment better than the others? You have 1 minute.
Large amounts of electricity can be generated in one place using oil fairly cheaply.
I do not believe you've answered the question. I will repeat the question. How does your energy source protect the environment better than the other sources? You have 20 seconds.
It gives us energy before we can make natural gas.
You have not answered the question. Coal energy. How does your energy source protect the environment better than the other sources? You have 1 minute.
That is for data and expenses to produce and convert useful energy. However, producing and using coal has many impacts on the environment.
So you're stating that yours does not protect the environment. Is that right? Is that right? I agree. Point worded. Thank you for your knowledge. Team biomass. How does your energy source protect the environment better than the others? You have 1 minute. I can't hear you. You must speak louder. Continue. Don't remember reading water recycling and biomass. You have 10 seconds to complete your answer. I do not believe you did answer the question. Geothermal. How does your energy source protect the environment better than the others? You have 1 minute.
We use natural areas and structures that then we don't tear up the ground. Plus, the areas that we use provide the energy source for us. We just take advantage of the area. We don't harm any animals or plants near it.
You still have 45 seconds if you'd like to add anything else.
We don't dig in the ground. We use volcanoes that are around other areas like Hawaii and other lands that have already provided, so we don't have to dig up the ground and tear up what's in it, like the tectonic plates. Because the tear up the tectonic plates, everything will go wrong. So we use volcanoes to help us.
I believe you have answered the question. Point awarded. Nuclear. Where's nuclear?
Yeah.
How does your energy source protect the environment better than the others? You have 1 minute. process involved uranium, which is a detriment to the environment? You have 10 seconds. Is there anything else you'd like to add? I believe you've answered your question. Hydropower. How does your energy source protect the environment better than the others? You have to tell me in English because I'm not going to understand you.
Expense the radio energy between water.
I'm a helper.
Spends a little energy by using water. Because our energy only spends a little bit, not a lot.
How does that impact the environment? How does it protect the environment? Tough question. I do not believe your question has been answered. Natural gas. How does your energy source protect the environment better than the others? You have 1 minute.
It doesn't produce solid waste. It is very clean, and it doesn't harm the air pollution.
How do you know that?
Cause
You have 40 seconds.
it is clean because after they like take it through the pipeline, the factories cleans it with this. What was that thing I was reading yesterday? With this, they clean it with this stain, and it doesn't really. I don't know. Can't think of it.
I do not believe the question has been fully answered. Upon reconsideration, I believe the only two groups that have given me a thorough answer are geothermal and coal. Coal gave me an honest answer. Geothermal gave me examples of why they did not harm the environment and how they did not harm the environment. Now you're noticing that the questions are catching you off guard. These are the same questions that I gave to you on your report packet.